Meow. Meow meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden here, and I just love this little pose of this kitty, like sitting on the floor and looking up at you. Probably looking for food. So we'll quickly get these shapes in. I'm going triple the speed here and voicing over. And I just want to capture that charming essence of this pussycat, focusing on angles and shapes more than anything. Quick shapes, and we'll refine them later. So imagine me drawing a third the speed of this. That's how it was before I sped it up. So just refining things a bit now, getting some lines in there for where the eyes are going to go. And the muzzle. That's how I place the mouth and everything. So those are little pockets there that I can pop the eyes into between the lines there. Yeah, I didn't like that. Start again. Simple ears. There's a lot of bends and turns within the ears, but I don't worry about them. I just get simple triangles. And we'll bring this drawing to life with some lovely little eyeballs. I'm going to have to move that nose and mouth over because they weren't in the middle of where the eyes were. I didn't like that one. Fix it up. I try not to use my eraser too much, but you know, when I need it, it's there. Just don't want to get obsessed with erasing everything. Just a suggestion of toe lines. And I find a lot of times just 2 lines work because usually the other one's kind of hiding around the corner. And that lovely tail, usually I change the tail somewhat, but that tail is just perfect. It's directing the eye right back around to the face, which is the focal point here. Not that I'm not saying that the paws aren't a lovely focal point too, but generally it's the face. Just make those eyes stand out. I love the charming expression I've got here. Just a suggestion of hair inside the ears. And I didn't like that. A little bit too busy, maybe pointing the wrong way. That's better. I really aim for the character and soul more than anything. I used to be a total realist, but I've moved farther and farther away from that all the time, and it's very freeing. I just want to capture the essence of the cat. Personality, character, gesture, whatever you want to call it. Get some wiggle lines in there. Helps create some movement in the drawing. Bit of charm. I love to hear from you. I especially want to know what you want to learn most about drawing cats, so drop me a comment or tell me about yourself or your cat or where you live in the world. Thank you so much for watching today. We'll see you in the next video.